Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can post anonymously in a Facebook group, so let's get started. If you want to share a post in a Facebook group without showing your profile name, you can use the Anonymous Post feature as long as the group allows it. First, open the Facebook app and use the search bar to find the group where you want to post. Once you're in the group, tap Write Something to start creating a new post. Before typing your message, tap the drop-down next to your profile name. If the group supports anonymous posting, you'll see the option to post as an anonymous member. Turn this option on, then tap Got it to continue. Now write your post just like you normally would. When you're finished, tap Done, then press Post to submit it. Keep in mind that not every Facebook group allows anonymous posts. If you don't see the Anonymous Member option, it means the group's admins have disabled this feature, so you'll only be able to post using your regular profile. That's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.